Giant Vietnamese white. Yeah, I got bigger size, but this is what I have right now. I try to review it more than one time in different videos. Yes. Oh my God. It's sometimes hard to find a sweet white one. This is sweet. Wow, this is very sweet. This is very sweet. This is very sweet. Giant Vietnamese white. We're gonna check the bricks score now. Giant Vietnamese white. Giant Vietnamese white. Oh, giant Vietnamese white. 20. This is the sweetest white I have. My God, more than some of the red. It's very sweet. Giant Vietnamese white. I never see something like that. It reached 20. When I try it, I see it's sweet. Yeah, it is sweet. Yeah. This variety, it is sweet. I like it. It's hard to find a white variety sweet. It is nice and tasty and sweet.